Hey guys, Joe Burnich with BigWestMarketing.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a video to your Google Business profile from your smartphone. Let's get started right now. Okay, as you can see, I'm on my smartphone here. I am going to go into my Google My Business app. If you don't have this app, go to the App Store, search for Google My Business, download the app. It's just called My Business, as you can see right here. I open that up. Now, what you see down here at the bottom is a little pencil where it says profile. Click that little pencil. All right, and you're going to go over to photos. And then you see the little camera icon in the bottom right. You're going to hit that. And I already created a video on my phone. So if you got a video, like a before and after video, whatever, you're going to hit that. You see how I put a little check mark right there? Little check mark right there. I'm not going to hit record down here. I'm just going to hit the little check mark there. Okay, and then I'm going to hit this add one button up here. That's what most people miss, is they don't hit the add one. So I'm going to hit add one. Okay, and then I can put a little description here and I can click upload. Now be patient because this is like a 10-second video, and when I did a test upload before, it took like 10 minutes. So I'm not sure why it takes so long. It just does, but it will post to your Google Business profile, and that's how you do it. Once again, my name is Joe Burnich with Big West Marketing, and I will see you in the next video.